Hello and thanks for joining me for E-Prime. Leading actress and community development activist Iris Terry Salmon last night launched Yard Empire, her non-profit entity which aims to awaken, develop and promote the dignity and sense of self-worth of Jamaican youth.
We at Yard Empire firmly and truly believe that our youth has greatness within, and we are committed, fully 100% committed to helping our youth believe in themselves and reach for their star, that great star, that shining star within.
Many reports have highlighted that Jamaican men in particular are challenged by social and economic dysfunctions, which includes the lack of suitable mentors.
Men and women are assigned gender roles by this patriarchal system. For example, mothers are expected to groom their daughters to take care of the home, whereas fathers are to teach their sons to provide economically for the family. Patriarchal ideologies expect to repress their feelings and suppress their emotional needs.
Yard aims to expose youths from 13 to 23 to self-esteem building and coping skills to lead them to maximize their potential as individuals and resist peer pressure among other influences. E-Prime last night caught up with the grandson of Peter Tosh, Dre Tosh, at the launch of his music video for the debut single Coming In Hot.
I said trench down, stepping it hot, fire in them, yeah. I said the whole Kingston stepping it hot. I said we the big boss say I stepping it hot. When it's the musical shot. Alright, this is me keeping.
So I feel splendid being a part of this journey because my grandfather there within me. I and I, as we say, as Rasta people. So him and me right now, spiritually, I love that journey I'm there on. I feel grateful to be on a journey, the spiritual journey with my grandfather, Peter Tosh. I am looking forward to doing my album. Not right away, but in a few months' time. My song name is All About Love, straight up. You see, me get too militant, I just my grandfather energy I speaking at me. So I say, but I have a few other tracks to release. The next one will be Don't You Worry. I'm also in reasoning with Republic Records over there, Universal Music Group. We get a record label with them for sure because we speak life and everything. And that's what I do right now, basically, the definite things.
Lebanon has banned the Disney movie Wonder Woman. According to online reports out of Lebanon, there was a successful movement to ban Wonder Woman because star Gal Gadot is Israeli. The Lebanon Ministry of Economy and Trade issued a statement in which it said that, quote, the film will not be shown in the country following a decision. The ministry has taken all necessary action to ban the film. End quote. Gadot served in the Israeli army. Israel and Lebanon are at war. The decision appears to be a last-minute one, as the film seen here on Grand Cinema's lineup was scheduled to begin screening at One Baruch's Theatre last night. The theatre chain Grand Cinemas last night tweeted out the news to its fans: Wonder Woman has been banned in Lebanon. The news has been received with mixed reviews. Back in Jamaica, the movie is set for release in cinemas this Saturday. That's it for E-Prime. I'm Deidre. Thank you for watching.